Uneven lawn surfaces can totally mess with your curb appeal and make mowing a nightmare. But leveling your lawn and filling low spots isn't as hard as you might think if you know a few tricks. So, first off, you want to figure out why your lawn's all bumpy in the first place. Sometimes it's just normal settling, but other times it's stuff like drainage issues or even critters burrowing underneath. Start by mowing your grass pretty short so you can actually see all the low spots. Grab some topsoil mixed with sand and compost, and then just spread it over the dips in your yard using a shovel or a garden rake. Don't dump a ton of soil at once. About ½ inch at a time works best so you don't smother the grass underneath. After you spread the soil, give those spots a gentle watering to help it settle in, and if you need to, just repeat the process every couple weeks until things are looking smoother. If there are really deep holes, you might need to actually lift up the grass with a shovel, fill in underneath, and then lay the grass back down. Sounds kinda wild, but it actually works. Keep an eye out for puddles after rain so you can spot spots that need more help, and don't be afraid to reseed thin patches if you ripped up a bunch of grass while leveling. Finally, try not to walk on or mow those fixed up areas for a bit while everything settles and new grass takes root. One of the biggest mistakes people make with uneven lawn surfaces is dumping way too much soil at once, which totally suffocates your grass and leaves you with ugly dead patches. A better move is adding thin layers and letting each one settle before adding more. Another super common issue is not figuring out why your yard was uneven in the first place. So even after fixing it, the same drainage problems or critters just mess it up again. Always check for poor drainage or pests before you start. Third thing folks mess up is using the wrong soil mix. If you grab cheap fill dirt or skip the compost, you end up with a lawn that drains weird or gets super compacted. Always blend topsoil, sand, and compost to keep things healthy and level. BigHomeProjects.com makes it stupid simple for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix uneven lawns and tackle outdoor projects. If you're a contractor trying to get more work in your area, you can join the site to connect with real homeowners who need your skills. No more chasing dead-end leads.